Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2020 GMC Terrain, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your MAF sensor in this truck. So let's start. Let's pop the hood. Move the latch to the right. Find the stand. Secure it. You're all set. Now this is actually a very simple procedure. Everyone can do this. So if you have check engine light for P101, P0102, P0103, this most likely is your problem. So over here we have our sensor. So how do we change it? We're just gonna pull on the red pin here like this. Then we should be able to press here and unplug this connector right here. Now next step is we're gonna have to get, what is this, T20 screwdriver, star, and remove two bolts that are holding the sensor down. So 1 and 2. Alright, and here we have our mass airflow sensor. That's it. So now when you have to change it, you're just gonna order the part, it's gonna come in, and same way you're gonna just change it. Very simple. So again, you can put it in, put screws back in. Well, you're gonna screw them till the end, and then you're just gonna click back the connector and put the red pin back. And that's it. Okay, that's a very simple procedure. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye-bye.